Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I'll be sharing my little girl's updated closets. I love the way they turned out and I'm so excited to share the before and after. Both of my girls' closets had wire shelving, and since we moved in 2 years ago, it's something that's been on my to-do list to change. I partnered with Modular Closets to create a custom closet system that will get the most use out of each space. If you're wanting to upgrade your closet and don't know where to start, I highly recommend Modular Closets, you guys. It's my favorite modular system because they offer durable, high quality, great prices, and amazing customer service. I'm also excited to share that Modular Closets is having a giveaway for this month, you guys. There will be one winner that's going to receive a custom closet system for any space in your home. For the complete rules to enter this giveaway, make sure to check out the link I have in the description box and take advantage of this great opportunity. After building the closet system, the last thing that I wanted to add were the knobs for the drawers. After organizing and decorating the closet, I wanted to make sure that the knobs were going to flow with the rest of the aesthetic to complete the look I was going for. I bought these knobs from Hobby Lobby, but the original ones that I had planned for this closet are still on back order, so as soon as I get those in, I'll share them in a new video. This is my infant's closet, and since her room has touches of gold throughout, I wanted to add a little bit of gold detail in her closet as well. Now this is my favorite part of the closet makeover because I get to decorate it. I love baby things, they're the cutest. I bought her this floor lamb, bunny pillow, and oversized stuffed lamb from Pottery Barn. I like to add larger items in big baskets to organize her things in a neat and eye-pleasing way. That's a tip I can give you to have a clutter-free and organized space. Another tip I wanted to share is to use matching baskets to make your items look neater. I found this last year from HomeGoods and I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but I knew if I left it I would regret it and it was worth holding on to. I'm so happy I did because this basket is perfect for extra blankets to add in the closet. This way I can see the different designs on the blankets for my baby and it just makes me so happy to look at. Another tip is to use open bins to reach items faster. You can use whatever it is that you're going to grab and go, for example, swaddles, bibs, diapers, hair things, etc. It'll make everything neater when you have a designated space for each thing. Organizing is another way of decorating for me because seeing things in a neat and organized way that flows together instantly creates a beautiful space. I love this sign so much. I found it at Hobby Lobby. It says, "Every good and perfect gift is from above," James 1:17. Later this month, I'll be sharing the nursery tour, so make sure you have the bell notification turned on. That way you're notified as soon as that video goes live. These pink drawer organizers are from M Design. They're perfect for nursery organization or even for your own closet. I love the pink and had to have these for my girls' closets. If you're interested in them, I'll leave them linked below. This is actually only half of her bows because the rest are in my bedroom. I like to keep some of her clothes there because I can change her faster since her changing station is in my bedroom. My girls like wearing bows, so I'm going to take advantage of it while it lasts because I've heard many other moms say that their girls don't like anything on their heads. There are so many adorable bows and I'm surprised I haven't bought more because of how cute they are. Also, please let me know in the comments if you're enjoying these organizing videos because I love sharing them with you guys in case you need ideas or inspiration for your home. extra storage, I added bins on top of the closet system. I made sure they were all the same size and style for a more organized look. Here you can place just about anything like winter clothes, clothes that doesn't fit your baby just yet, and label the bins with metal bin labels like I did in my pantry organization video. If you haven't seen the full pantry makeover from wire shelving to wood shelving, I'll leave it linked below. I love the outcome so much and shared the entire process to create your very own dream pantry. This princess sign is from Hobby Lobby and it was perfect for the space I had up here after adding the shelving. Since the shelving is modular, when I want to switch things up, I can always lower the shelf to have more room for other items. The white swan bank is from Home Goods, the love sign is from Hobby Lobby, and the rose gold mirrored crown box is from Home Goods. Are you guys ready to see the after? Before we get to that, I wanted to share a quick clip of the before, which wasn't too bad, but not something that was functional for my girls in the long run. The wire shelving restricted to only having clothes in the middle, and now I can have different things in the middle of the closet. I'm so happy with how everything turned out, you guys. It's better than what I imagined it would be. It's such a beautiful space that I could look at and not get tired of, and would love to know your thoughts on how you think these turned out. A huge thank you to Modular Closets for once again helping me create a beautiful space. I'll leave their website linked below, and don't forget about the giveaway they're hosting this month. You could be that winner. Just click the link below and it'll tell you all the rules to enter. With that said, this concludes today's video and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for being here and all your continued love and support. I'll talk to you all in my next video. Take care.